Do you want to gain more visibility and reach for your brand on platforms like YouTube and do so through voice and vision so that your brand is perceived even better? In this huge sea of videos, it is clearly important to stand out with the content so that not only are you seen, but also remembered, and ideally the whole thing is shared. This is a trip that I'm inviting you to now. With my years of knowledge about the dynamics of videos and the YouTube algorithm and my creative flair, I produce and edit videos that capture your target audience from the first to the last idea in your film, whether it's informative content, brand stories, or a visually appealing presentation of an appealing and desirable product. Every video is just one step towards strengthening the visibility of your brand on every platform. And how is the process going? Tailored for your brand. From the script to post-production, every element is carefully developed so that your videos not only resonate with the audience, but also convey the message of your brand. And as the icing on the cake, we can also create great thumbnails for you. Just ask for it, because the first impression counts.